Hey guys, Jared here for XDA TV. So for those of you that have an LG G3, I'm sure many of you have heard of Bump, which for those of you that didn't know what Bump is, it's basically an ingenious little bootloader workaround so that we can finally start flashing custom ROMs. But the instructions to flash it can be a little confusing and daunting for some. That being said, I've found a super duper easy way to flash it without even connecting your phone to your PC. So first off, let's give some credits to the team that put Bump together for us all. Okay, so I know that for most of you this is obvious, but for the rest of you, to flash Bump, your device has to already be rooted. Alrighty, so with that out of the way, if you're not currently watching this video on your phone and want to flash Bump right now, switch on over to your phone. Otherwise, you can do this after, but either way, I'll have a link in the description below to the Bump thread over at XDA, so you can go ahead and click on that now. Now, once you're there, I strongly recommend you go ahead and have a read through the thread so that you know what you're getting yourself into. After, go ahead and scroll down to where it says, "Where do I download this?" and click on the link provided. Now, the page that'll pop up is a list of all the supported LG G3 model variants. Make sure you click on and download the right file for your LG G3 model number. So for example, my LG G3 is the D852, so of course I chose the D852 file. Now if you're downloading the file using your phone, make damn sure that it saves to your internal storage, not your external SD card. If it does save to your external SD card, make sure you move it on over to your internal storage. Now if we take a quick look back at the Bump thread, more specifically the instructions section, you'll notice that it instructs us to connect the device to our PC and launch into an ADB shell so that we can start typing in some long command lines. Well, don't worry about doing that. Instead, go to the Play Store and search for Flashify. It's an extremely useful tool that I think every Android modder should have, and it's also free, so there's no reason why you shouldn't download it. Anyways, go ahead and download it and open it on up. It'll ask you for root permission, so go ahead and grant it access, then select the recovery image option, then tap on choose a file, and then using whatever file explorer you have available, you can even use the built-in Flashify file explorer if needed, navigate to where you saved the Bump file you downloaded earlier. Now for me, it's saved to my downloads folder, but once you locate it, just tap on it to select it. But after you tap on it, Flashify might ask you how you want to pick up the file. If it does, just select the normal Android way. Now after that, another box will pop up asking if that's the correct file you want to flash. And as long as you downloaded the correct file for your specific LG G3 model, you can go ahead and select the "Yup, that's my file" option. Flashify will then quickly and effortlessly flash the image for you and install TWRP custom recovery so that you can go ahead and flash ROMs, make and restore Android backups. But now that you flash TWRP, the method for booting into recovery isn't the same as what you're used to on other devices. So instead of following the somewhat tedious Bump method to booting into recovery, just simply download a quick boot app from the Play Store or even Expose Module if you have Expose Framework installed, and then simply choose to reboot into recovery, and you can avoid all the multiple time synchronized button presses. But that's it, it's just that easy, so go ahead, do it yourself and go flash some custom ROMs and make some Android backups and enjoy yourself. But that's it for this one. Hopefully I made the process a little less intimidating and easier for you all. So if I succeeded actually, maybe show some XDA love by hitting up that like button. And if you want to stay up to date with all of our videos, don't forget to subscribe. And actually, if you'd like to see more of me, you can head on over to my channel and check out some of my latest device reviews. Anyways, thanks as always for watching, and I'll talk to you all in the next one. Cheers.